हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ए वीडियो रे आमे जानिबा स्कूल गुडी को जो मर्जिंग होची से स्कूल माने किपरि तांकर मर्ज करिवे, स्कूल किपरि कंसोलिडेशन हबो, बैंक अकाउंट किपरि ट्रांसफर हबो, स्टूडेंट ट्रैकिंग किपरि हबो, स्टूडेंट ट्रैकिंग ड्राइव किपरि हबो, तापरे स्कूल ब्यूटिफिकेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रेंथनिंग हबो किपरि, टीचर ट्रांसफर किपरि हबो, तापरे अलाउंस डिसबर्समेंट किपरि हबो, ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी किपरि हबो, ट्रांसफर ऑफ बिल्डिंग किपरि हबो, एसएमसी रिकॉग्निशन किपरि हबो, ए सब जानि नवा। देखंतु दिस इज द लेटर फ्रॉम ओसेपा from state project director to all collector of Angul, Bargarh, Bhadrak, Kathak, Ganjam, Jajpur, Jharsuguda, Kandhamal, Khordha, Koraput, Nuapara, Sambalpur, Sonpur, Sundargarh. Subject regarding consolidation of school to 2020-21. Okay. देखो, this is the letter for school building of satellite school. Vacation report is to be shared with the GP, Panchayat Samiti, urban local body in accordance with the resolutions. Okay, you are requested to take necessary step for consolidation of schools and submit report for kind appraisal of government. तेबे स्कूल मर्जिंग किपरि होबो तार गाइडलाइंस को देखि नेबे। आसंतु एनेक्सर रे ए रछि, एनेक्सर रे स्कूल कंसोलिडेशंस इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस एक्टिविटी, कंसोलिडेशंस बा जॉइन टुगेदर। ओके, बा जो संगठन किपरि हो, स्कूल गुडी किपरि मिसिबो मिश्रण, डाटा माइग्रेशन किपरि हो। पॉइंट 1, post consolidation data hygiene activity will be taken up to make sure that all OSEPA database are up to date. All the student data, teacher data, bank details need to be migrated to the school of joining. Bank account of all satellite school need to be closed and funds transferred to lead school to make sure no misappropriation of funds. तेबे फ्रेंड्स, बैंक अकाउंट क्लोज करिवे सैटेलाइट स्कूल एचएम आउ सही फंड्स को ट्रांसफर करिवे लीड स्कूल रो फंड्स को बैंक अकाउंट को, आउ स्टूडेंट टीचर डाटा सब ट्रांसफर हेबो। तापरे देखंतु यूडाइस माइग्रेशन किपरि हेबो। After the final consolidation approval, all satellite school will be deactivated in all the school master in extended MIS UDIS by the state MIS. State MIS team through ruta UDIS migration hobo. Post deactivation, all student and teacher data of satellite school to be migrated to lead school profile re hobo. This will be done as a one time migration activity through re hobo. टीचर प्रोफाइल टीचर मानकर चेंज हेबो। तापरे नंबर 3, दिस कंसोलिडेशन में चेंज कैटेगरी ऑफ लीड स्कूल व्हेन न्यू क्लासेस आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द स्कूल। वर्टिकल मर्जर जोटा कि प्राइमरी स्कूल अपर प्राइमरी स्कूल रे बा 6th to 10th रे मर्जिंग होतवाटा होउची वर्टिकल मर्जर. These vertical mergers are in accordance to the visions to create integrated school. Please update the category of school depending on the classes introduced. All lead school after consolidations will also be deemed as co-educational as per policy. UDIS deactivations and migration status will be updated by OSEPA MIS team. तापरे बैंक अकाउंट क्लोजर किपरि होबो। देखंतु आफ्टर कंसोलिडेशंस अप्रूवल, बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ द सैटेलाइट स्कूल नीड टू बी क्लोज्ड एंड ऑल फंड ट्रांसफर टू बैंक अकाउंट टू द लीड स्कूल. ओके, लीड स्कूल को ट्रांसफर हे जिवो तांकर फंड्स. इट मस्ट बी एंश्योर दैट नो फंड्स आर प्लेस्ड इनटू सैटेलाइट स्कूल अकाउंट. सैटेलाइट स्कूल अकाउंट रे कोनोसी फंड रहबा उचित नहे, एपरि की MDM, uniform, book, salary, etc. Okay, all satellite school HM will close the account in at the local branch and submit the report to the BO. Satellite school HM close करिवे एवं report करिवे BO को of the close account will be transferred to the lead school account and A detailed account statement for different funds for the current financial year and casebook will be handed over to lead school HM. Okay, and a detailed account statement for different funds of the current financial year. The casebook will be handed over to lead school HM. तापर DOBO will track this activity and will share status of the closure of all account on a weekly cadence with the state. साप्ताहिक रिपोर्ट देवे BODO माने. तापर स्टूडेंट ट्रैकिंग देखंतु all BODOs are requested to make sure that there is zero dropout after consolidations. Dropout केही रहिबे नहीं ता ध्यान देबा पई कुहाଯାଇଛି. To ensure this, the first statewide information awareness drive will be carried out to enroll students to schools. It will be followed by a focused student by student tracking to record the status of admissions. तापरे देखंतु स्टूडेंट ट्रैकिंग परे इंफॉर्मेशन अवेयरनेस ड्राइव block and district wise level officers VC will be conducted with the officer to explain their actions and responsibilities for implementation of the consolations and post consolations activities, such as the implementation of grievance process. Format of data collection and tracking mechanisms will be shared. All officers will also be part of the district level group of further coordination. तापर headmaster CRC रे देखंतु awareness webinar will be conducted for lead schools and satellite schools. Headmaster and CRC to align them with the step on post consolations modalities. This will be followed up with the discussion sessions on the district and block level visit. The HM will also be invited to BRM block review meeting and DRM district review meeting, and consolations actions and tracking will be discussed there. तापर parents and student मान lead school HM CRC will be provided with all list of all student from the satellite school joining their school after consolation. The HM and CRCC must inform all the parents and SMC member of the concerned satellite school about the consolations along with the detail of the lead school. They must clearly inform the parents about the benefit of consolation process of enrollment, allowance benefit being given to students for shifting to lead school, and grievance process notify earlier. A list relevant topics will be provided to HM and CRCC which need to be discussed with the parents. HM CRCC must also collect and share phone number of the SMC members spoken to. This member will be cross verified by VFC. देखंतु then for support helpline, a dedicated support helpline will be set up at the state level where all users can call and clarify doubts pertaining to action of for school consolation. This helpline will also help create a list of FAQ that will be circulated in the follow up VC. तेबे सपोर्ट ପାଇଁ हेल्पलाइन टी जारी करा जिवो तत्सहित HM CRC माने SMC को जणाइबे तत्सहित फोन नंबर कलेक्ट करिवे SMC मेंबर मानकर तांकु जणाइबे कोन बेनिफिट हेबो स्कूल मर्जिंग रो. तापरे देखंतु स्टूडेंट ट्रैकिंग ड्राइव किपरि हेबो. HM of lead school will be provide a list of all students from satellite school who are to be enrolled. Lead school HM is responsible to make sure that all students are enrolled. Details of all students need to be tracked in a standard format and shared with the state. A daily update form with number of students enrolled will be filled by HM. Lead school HM responsible हेबे that all students are enrolled. जदि drop out रही जिबे तेबे lead school HM will be responsible. Okay, तापरे if enrollment is not possible in the lead school under school and mass education department, the HM CRC will find an alternative school and get the student enrolled. Okay, details of the enrolled school that are captured by HM in the share format will be shared to the block office. The collected student data will be aggregated at the block and district level and submitted to state. Then post reopening of school. School खोलिबा परे कौन हबो देखंतु HM will share 60-day attendance data for the student from satellite school. Based on this data and enrollment details, student tracking list will be created and shared with blocks and district. For students who are not enrolled in any school have less than 30% attendance in the past 60 days. तापरे स्कूल खोलिबा परे पोस्ट रीओपनिंग ऑफ स्कूल हेडमास्टर कौन करिवे शेयर करिवे 60 दिन रो अटेंडेंस डाटा स्टूडेंट मानकर केन स्टूडेंट मानकर सैटेलाइट स्कूल स्टूडेंट मानकर बेस्ड ऑन दिस डाटा and enrollment detail the student tracking list will be created and share with the block सहित शेयर करा जिवो who are not enrolled in any school or have less than 30% attendance in the past 60 days. All students on the list must be tracked individually and must be enrolled in a school to the ensure zero dropout by HM. Okay. In case all students in the students tracking list are not enrolled and attending school regularly, action will be escalated to view and then due to ensure zero dropout रहिबा न रहिबा पई ए सब लिखा होई छी. Child wise status of at risk student will be strictly monitored at the SPMU, DPMU and BPMU levels and is of the highest priority. Child wise status of at risk student will be strictly monitored habo. तापर स्कूल beautification and infrastructure strengthening किपरि हबो देखंतु in order to make the lead school safe and welcoming for student there is a need of cleaning and beautification of the lead school premises. Satellite school student माने आसीबे तेनु स्कूल गुडी को सुंदर करिवा पई कहा जाय छी. There also may be a need of upgrade the facilities to cater to the new student coming in. The following activity may be carried out to this end: cleaning of premises including removal of any foliage, any minor repair to structure of the building and surrounding infrastructure like boundary wall, painting of the premises to make the school welcome to incoming students, increasing facility for drinking, faucets and water toilets. तापरे repair installations of electric appliances like fans and electrical lights, additional infrastructure to cater to new classes that are being introduced. तेबे तांकु स्वागत करिवा पई कलर करा जिवो प्रेमिसेस बारंडा सबु बाहर सबु तापरे इलेक्ट्रिक फैन सबु ओके रहबा कथा टॉयलेट सबु ओके रहबा कथा. तापरे the number 2 this activity will be carried out in collaboration with the Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department. Funds from the composite school grant and strengthening of school may be dovetailed if required. BO will coordinate this activity with BDO, PR and WD department functionaries and school level status will be tracked by the state. तापरे टीचर ट्रांसफर कथा देखंतु all teachers will be moved from the satellite school to the lead school. समस्त टीचर lead schools को जीवे. Post consolidation of satellite school UDIs, all teacher will be transferred to lead school as a one time migration activity on extended MIS and teacher information system. One time गुटे एका थरे all over state रो एका थरे सब UDI school change हबो. तापर number 2 after consolidations the service of the staff of the satellite school shall be deemed to be placed under the disposal of HM of the lead school and the all staff must report to the HM of lead school immediately. तापर consolidation मिश्रण पर the service of the staff of the satellite school staff shall be deemed to be placed under the disposal of HM of the lead school and all staff must report to the HM of lead school immediately. Okay, join करिवे सही स्कूल टीचर माने In case of excess teachers in the lead school and consequential issue arising relating to the drawal of salaries, etc., BODO can bring it to the notice DE and DSC as the case may be within 7 days of shifting of the teacher to the lead school for further actions. All subsequent shifting, transfer and rationalization will happen per prevailing policy. Existing system of drawal of salary will continue. HM or lead school will submit the bills of DTU on an ongoing basis. Then allowance disbursement देखो the policy has provision for a one-time facilitations allowance and transport escort allowance for student in the consolidated school. Effective tracking of this disbursement is required to make sure that each student receives the correct entitlement. Student ମାନଙ୍କୁ allowance ମିଳିବ ଭତ୍ତା ମିଳିବ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଯିବା ଆସିବାର all students who move to lead school from satellite school are eligible for one-time facilitation allowance and transport and escort allowance will be applicable as per RT norms. ତେବେ one times ସ୍କୁଲ ଲିଡ୍ ସ୍କୁଲରୁ ସାଟେଲାଇଟ୍ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ନାମ ଲେଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଆଲାଉନ୍ସ ମିଳିବ ଆଉ RT ଅନୁସାରେ ଯଦି above than 1 or 2 କିଲୋମିଟର ଯଦି ଅଛି ତେବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ escort allowance ମିଳିବାର ପ୍ରାବଧାନ ରହିଛି. A student list will be prepared for eligible for this benefit basis input received by the HM CRC post school reopening. School open ହେଲା ପରେ କେଉଁ student lead school କୁ ମିଶିଲେ ତାର list ଦେବେ. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ basis this list total allowance will be calculated and the amount will be transferred to the respective DPC account ku jibo. Upon school reopening allocated amount of for and transport escort allowance will be transferred to the SMC account based on the enrollment and attendance data received from the school, which will be then transferred to students. One time facilitation allowance will be transferred through DBT. Okay, तापरे एटा हला स्टूडेंट मानकर अलाउंस कथा. तापरे ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी, ट्रांसफर ऑफ बोथ मूवेबल एंड इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी needs to be tracked to ensure that all government property is put to appropriate use. तापरे ट्रांसफर ऑफ मूवेबल चलंती संपत्ति किपरि ट्रांसफर करिवे देखंतु. all record store accounts movable property of satellite schools will be handed over by HM of satellite school to the HM of lead school. Transportation charges for the movement of this material if required may be made out of the composite school grant. A copy of such handing over and taking over the charges with the signature of both headmaster shall be submitted to concerned BO DO as the case may be. The same information will be captured in the consolidation MIS form filled up by BO and DO. Record of all this transfer will be stored by the BO and DO. देखंतु ट्रांसफर ऑफ मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी गुडी को सैटेलाइट स्कूल लीड स्कूल को जीवो तापर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज मूवमेंट पई जदी लागि थिबो तेबे ताहा कंपोजिट स्कूल ग्रांट रु मिली परिबो. A copy of such handing over and taking over charges with the signature of the both HM submit to the BO ku दिया जिवो. The same information will be captured in the consolidation of MIS form will be filled up by the BO. तापरे record of all this transfer will be stored by the BO. तापरे transfer of building किपरि हेबो all school building have been handed over GP in accordance with the resolution 3489. Okay, then school building and associated infrastructure vacation report in respect and satellite school is to be shared with the GP by the HM of satellite school and after transfer of all movable property. A movable property transfer कला पर school building को hand over करिवो satellite school HM. Okay, तापर copies of The vacation report must be extended, BO as the case may be. तापर SMC recognition देखंतु after consolidation of schools the SMC of the lead school need to be recognized to reflect the change in student population on the account of student moving from satellite school. SMC or SMDC of the lead school रो SMC को reorganize କରାଯିବ to reflect the change in student population on account of student moving from satellite school. तापरे new SMC of lead school must be constituted with the parents of student moving from the satellite school within 45 days. 45 दिन रे नुआ SMC गठन करिवा पई कहा जाईछि. तापरे till the constitution of the new SMC or SMDC the parents SMC of lead school will continue with the addition of 2 co-opted parents from each satellite school. This must be done immediately post consolidation. तब लीड स्कूल एवं सैटेलाइट स्कूल रो मेंबर रहिबे SMC रे. लीड स्कूल हेडमास्टर will self clarify this activity and share number of SMC members co-opted or elected. VFS calling will set up by utilized to cross verify. এইটা হবো फ्रेंड्स. तेबे SMC the present SMC of lead school will continue करिवे जे पर्यंत SMC फॉर्मेशन न होइछि न्यू 2 co-opted parents from each satellite school. This must be done immediately post consolidations. Consolidation बा मिश्रण पर ए सब हेबो. Lead school headmaster will self certify this activity and share number of SMC members co-opted or elected. VFC calling will set be utilized to cross verify. This is all about consolidation of schools 2020 and 21. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you again soon.